Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix App Store not downloading apps. So to start, go ahead and open your settings. Then from here, go to Wi-Fi and check if you're connected to a stable internet connection. So you can also turn it off for about 10 to 30 seconds and turn it back on. Then go back to App Store and try to download again and see if that works. Next, go back to the main settings, scroll down and go to General. Then from here, scroll down and go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then click Reset and click Reset Network Settings. Then enter your passcode. Then click Reset Network Settings once more and it will reset your network settings. Then go back to App Store and see if that solves the problem. Now, next step is to go back to main settings and from here go to general, then go to date and time and turn on set automatically. Next, go back to settings, then go to screen time, then look for content and privacy restrictions, open it. So make sure installing apps is allowed. Next method is to go back to main settings, click your profile at the top, then scroll down and click on sign out and sign back in. Then go back to App Store and see if that solves the problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching.